Hello guys, today we're gonna make caldereta. These are our ingredients: carrots, potatoes, chili, onions, garlic, chicken, tomato sauce, soy sauce, and oil. So first of all, before cooking, always wash your hands. I already washed my hands, so now let's go start. Next, we're gonna pour some oil, then we'll saute garlic and onions. Let's pour some in. Next, after putting oil, we would put some garlic and onions. First, we would put garlic in. Ooh, it's hot. Next, now we will put some onions. We would put some chili, just to add a little spice. Next, we add this chicken into this. Let's do this. After putting in the chicken, we mix it and put the cover on to let them shimmer. So guys, you see that the chicken is already half cooked, and now it's time to add the carrots and the potatoes. So let's put it all in. This looks delicious. I can't wait to eat. Now, I will put the cover on again. Now guys, let's check it out. Ooh. Oh, that's hot. It's delicious. Now let's add some tomato sauce and soy sauce. I'm not sure if everybody tried cooking. I'm just a 9-year-old kid. But I saw some in many videos. Kids try to cook in chefs. Ooh, there. Ooh, that's hot. Then we mix it. I will put all this soy sauce inside the mixture. Next, I'm gonna add some peppers and some salt. Now I'm gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna put the cover and let it cook. Now guys, we will check our caldereta and taste our caldereta. Looks delicious. Yummy. Now here's our caldereta, and now it's ready. I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, bye!